Okay, Rosen, if you're going to call yourself a blogger and you're going to make yourself internationally known, the very least you can do is get the basics down here. So there's a little how-to video from the hip for you, and apologize if I make any mistakes. I've also taken a few liberties in terms of getting things set up, so I'm logged in, as you can see, to my Picasa account and also the dashboard for my EduBlog site. Now, I know you use a little bit of a different blog, but it's all based on WordPress, and so they're exactly the same. So the very first thing I'm going to do is click, I'm going to do a post. I'll show you a page as well and how to do a widget, but we'll start with doing this basic video on embedding code so you can save things in the cloud, which basically means anywhere on the internet, access it and weave it into anything that communicates back to the world. So in this particular case, your blog. So I'm going to go to simple add new and let's call it photo album. And you'll see here, my blog's set up to default to that HTML. Um, sorry, get my tools up here, default to that HTML editor, whereas most other ones are on the visual editor. So I'm going to just click over to that visual editor so you can see what that looks like. So it's basically the same as any kind of Microsoft Word back in the day editor. I like to use this HTML one because a lot of stuff that I do in class with the kids involves embedding so they can access that content. So now I'm going to go to Picasa and I'm going to find anything that's going to allow me to do that. The very first thing is I want to select the media that I'm going to share. So I'm going to pick a photo album. Really doesn't matter but which one it is, but I'll grab this one. Get rid of my circles from the last one. And we'll call this my this photo album here. And like I said, there's that link to this stuff here. So it's right on the right hand side, link to this album. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go to embed slideshow. And that'll give me some choices here. I'm going to go with a large 400 pics. I don't need any captions, but obviously that's something that you can include in there. And I'm going to go, oops, I'm going to go now and click on in this yellow box, which is the embed slideshow. Copy and paste this into your website. It should automatically copy, but you can also right click and that will bring you up copy, or just simply click Control C. And then I'm going to click done. I'm going to head back over to my post. I'm going to click that in here. There's my code. I'm going to click publish and give it a chance to work. Go see what I've done here. Make sure it's all hunky-dory. All right, there we go. So there's my little photo album. Um, I just passed it. This is my little photo album I've put in. A Picasa photo album I can click through. People can add comments, do all sorts of fun things, go like that. And that's how it's done. That's embedding any Web 2.0 stuff like a photo album into your blog. Um, Stay tuned because next time I'll show you how to do it into a page and a widget.